Guys, we're down here at Lakeside this morning. It is a beautiful day for some drags. We got it all happening. We've got the car show, we've got the 8th mile drags combined. It's going to be an excellent day. Stay tuned for more. Check out what's happening.
I've been patient, but I won't follow, 'cause I don't want to be your friend. What does it matter in the end? I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't want to be your friend, 'cause these feelings are violent.
This love's a heart attack. This love's a heart attack. This love's a heart attack.
Hang on, wait. Best US. I was looking at him and I was like, no, this deserves it.
'Cause I don't wanna be your friend. What does it matter if it ends? I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be your friend. I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be your friend. I want a little bit of lightning. What does it matter if it ends? But I don't wanna live in silence. What does it matter in the end? I want a little bit of lightning. No, I don't wanna be a friend, because these feelings are violent. What does it matter in the end?
This love's a heart attack. 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 And I won't go back. This love's a heart attack. This love's a heart attack.
Alrighty guys, well, it's been an amazing day. We got some sick cars here. The trade went off, the drags went off. It's been absolutely unreal. We want to thank everyone that's been a part of making this happen, and we hope we're going to see you at the next one.